Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the 8-inch dual surface element in your range, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the main top. Carefully lift up the top and move it to the side to detach it from the hinges. Note the location of the surface element wires, then disconnect them. Use pliers to help release the element retaining clips and remove the old element. Prepare the new surface element for installation by transferring the retaining clips from the old element to the new one. Be sure to position the clips in the proper location. Now insert the retaining clips into the slots and snap the element into place. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Reinstall the main top by aligning the hinge pins on the hinges. Then lower the top. Thread the screws to secure the top. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.